it,
Yeah.
subscribe, and guess what this L.O.L is.
What does it say? Let's see what it says. Treasure hunt time. Okay. What does it say? What does it say? It's somewhere where you... What's that one? Watch
TV.
Where's the biggest TV? Where's the biggest TV? Let's go quickly. Let's go to the biggest TV. Is there any? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What does that one say? What does that one say? Okay. Shower. Where's the shower? Quickly, let's go to the shower. Quickly. What? Oh my gosh. What does that one say?
Cold.
Where do you make food cold? What? Where do you? What? Where are you going? What? Anything up down there? Any? Sleeps. Where does Grandma sleep? What? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where does Grandma sleep? Oh my gosh.
Daddy's TV is.
Where's Daddy's TV? Where's Daddy's TV? What?
Where Anashe sleeps.
Where does Anashe sleep? What? Is it under the
bed?
Or maybe it's under the sheets or something. I don't know. Wait.
Okay, hi guys. Today I have a little big surprise doll.
Yeah.
As you can see the front. As you can see, I just got off. Okay, see, it is glittery.
It is.
And
What's in the
look at
back?
the back.
Ah.
As you can see.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's like half a bowl each.
Is it?
So if you totally want to get one, it's half a bowl.
Oh.
Big. Okay, let's get started.
Yeah.
I'll just put this off my bit.
Okay. Ooh. Okay. What does it say on there?
L.O.L surprise.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's better. Much better. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's got a t-shirt, see?
Let me have a look. Hold on. Oops, where's it gone? Oh wow. Okay.
Oh, another one.
Let me see that one. Wait, where is it? Ooh. Oh. Where's that one?
Jeans.
Let me see. Oh, looks like pants.
Oh.
That one's glittery. Oh my gosh, what is that one? What is that? Like a jumper or a t-shirt or something?
Yeah. This could be for Spice, I guess.
Yeah.
Guys, if you do not know what Spice is, she's supposed to be a model.
Oh, what is Spice? What is that one?
Glitterazzi.
Oh, let me see.
What's
Oh. Oh my gosh. Easy pon the glitter, young one.
Guys,
Easy.
yes, you be careful with the glitter. They just go all over your hands.
Oh.
These are definitely jeans. Okay. Actually, these are pants. Okay, I have some little pink boots.
Have a look in there. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, okay.
Roller skates.
Let me see those ones. Hold on. Let me get closer.
Skates.
Oh, those look very nice. Okay.
Guys, just to remind you why I'm putting back. I'm just going to leave them everywhere in my bed.
So you're putting them back. Okay. What's that?
Oh, so this, I guess this looks very nice.
Is that like a necklace or something? What's that one?
It's a glittery boots.
Oh my gosh, let me see.
It just looks so glittery.
That is crazy.
Okay, that just got crazier.
Yeah.
So guys,
Yeah.
I'm afraid I cannot do this. They're bath bombs.
What does that mean?
They're like bombs, and when you put them in the water, there's fizz-ups.
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see.
Ooh, but I do know this.
What are those ones?
L.O.L.
L.O.L.
Yeah. Which one should we start, guys?
Which one? I want the big one. I want to see the big one.
Okay.
I want to see the big one.
It is all full.
Show me. Wait, let me see.
As you can see, we just paused, but we got some shoes.
Okay.
Where's my information?
There we go.
Thanks.
What was that? What in the world is this?
It's a glitter bottle.
A little bottle. Another one. Oh, you did it yourself. What is that? It's mad pretty. Wait, no, for real, like it's mad pretty. What is it, like a dress or something? Like,
It's
what?
like a dress.
It's like a dress.
Okay. It's open one as well.
What is that one? That one's looking wham. Like, what's going on there? What's going on? Tell Daddy what's going on. What's going on there? I think another thing fell out. There's another thing fall out.
Yeah, I know.
What? Oh, is that what you do?
Yes, it's like the big ball, isn't it?
Oh, and then you can
Yeah, play.
do something with it.
Okay, guys,
Right.
before I open it,
Yeah.
subscribe and guess what this L.O.L doll is.
She's got glitter hair. What? Let me see that. Is glitter hair good?
I guess so.
You could do it. I know you could do it.
Why is it?
And then her hand got to go through there.
Okay, we did it.
Hey! Let me see. Look at all that swagger. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let me see. Wow.
There is a butter. You can see the splash queen
Mmm.
in her diapers. I think it's her little sister.
Mmm.
Sunglasses! And remember,
Yeah.
subscribe if you know which one this one is. Yeah.
Oh.
A gem bag.
What's that one? Show me. What is that one?
We just got a little sister.
She's got a little sister. Let me see. What? Mmm.
That's, come on.
Look at that. Here you go. What? So they're like the same. They're like twins.
Yeah, they're twins. Sorry guys, I just cut my finger. Actually, because I got a plaster. I was opening this crack my finger.
Oh. But you got a plaster in it now.
That's first. Open it, please.
Yeah.
I have a broken finger.
Oh yeah, you do, don't you? Oh, Daddy can't see.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at this.
Oh, what is that? It's like a little mini bottle, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's glittery. What? Let me see. What in the world? It's so small. It's like a smartphone, isn't it? What?
Oh. That's what I haven't had before.
What is that?
Some glittery boots.
Ooh, glittery boots.
Oh, she matches her shoes. Oh my gosh.
What happened? Who is that one?
I did not know too. I'll just go
Mmm.
on YouTube and then I'll find out.
Wow, that is so hard. How are you supposed to do this? Okay, I think I can do this. I think I got this. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's get a phone.
Yeah.
I need to text someone. My favorite friend.
One more?
This one more.
So let's have a summary. Which ones have we got now? Let's see everything. Whoa. Whoa, they're all matching. What? They are all matching.
And guys, they're all from the same club.
They're all from the same club. What club is that?